Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Westlaw step by step clearly. To connect with Westlaw, start by opening a web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the Westlaw URL and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the sign in button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to proceed to the login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. After you've entered your credentials, click the Sign In button to access your account. If you encounter any issues with your login, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on the link to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. Explore the search bar at the top of the page for quick access to legal research. You can also check the various practice areas listed in the navigation menu. Select a practice area that aligns with your research needs. For specific case law, use the Cases tab to refine your search criteria. Input relevant keywords or citations into the search bar. Review the search results carefully, noting the case summaries. Use the filters provided to narrow down the results further. Once you find a relevant case, click on the title to view the full text. You can save, print, or email the case details as needed using the options available. Take advantage of the citation tools to properly reference your findings. If you need additional resources, explore the Tools section for options such as legal encyclopedias and sample forms. For help and support, visit the Help section for tips and user guides. After completing your research, log out securely by clicking on the profile icon. Select Sign Out to ensure your session ends properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.